Hello, so good to have you back, and to the joining subscribers, hello, join the family, and to the returning ones, welcome. Guys, I'm so excited. I don't know if you can tell. Like, let's talk about her. Am I being dramatic or what? Isn't this cute? Isn't this so cute? I don't know. Maybe I'm just dramatic and like drama. But I saw this trending bucket hat. It's a ruffle bucket hat. Some call it a jelly hat. It does look like a jelly. Some call it Mona Lisa. I don't know where the Mona Lisa came from though. Probably need to do my research. But anyway, I digress. I just call it a ruffle bucket hat. It's so gorgeous, and you can like do different ruffles and everything, but we'll just get into just a quick rundown on how we get started with this, and really quickly, like, which one looks good, which one do you prefer, because the ruffles can be different. Like, this is a bit excessive, maybe not, but listen, I was out and about with it. Heads were turning. When I mean heads were turning, they were turning. But let's get right into it, and we'll just go run down through it. I don't have much to say this week, but listen, I just wanted to share this cute hat while I'm still thinking about what I'm going to do with those granny squares that we did last week, and put them together. So I'm still thinking about what are we going to do with those. I could have done a bucket hat actually. Could have done a bucket hat with it, but I don't know what stopped me. I know, but anyway, it's good. So I'm gonna continue doing because I'm good with the way these loose ruffles look. I'm gonna continue to finish my double crochets until I reach the end. Maybe I might add 2 more lines, and then I will add a white brim instead of the green one to see how the contrast colors look. See you at the end. Hello guys, just a quick update. This is how it looks, the second one, whereby I did 3 double crochets in 1 stitch. This is how it looks, guys. So this pattern's a bit different, so I changed the how dense the ruffles are, and I like the drama. To be honest, I'm a bit bummed that I put so much effort in trying to change and make the ruffles looser, and now that they're looser, I'm not quite enjoying how loose they are compared to the fullness of the other one. I guess I do like drama. Like, I'm looking at them and I'm just like, something's missing. I need something. But if this is your style, it's okay. Probably I got the measurements wrong as well. My head is a bit small. This one is a bit big, even though I used a different hook size. And I probably did something wrong somewhere. But anyway, it's trial and error. I'll probably undo this and redo it again, just to make just the ruffles part, make them more juiced up, to make them more spicy. I don't know. And compared to this one, I totally love the drama, right? I totally love the drama. Check this. I think drama is for me. I like the fullness. We're gonna stick to this one with the fullness, I mean the ruffles. But tell me if you do like looser curls, I mean looser ruffles. Tell me if you do like looser ruffles. I don't know, I just feel like this is for me. I'm gonna try like 3 different patterns. I feel like I'm not giving the looser ruffles a fair chance, so I'm gonna try like 3 different patterns and then get back to you. So hopefully next week I've got like 3 more hats, or like 2, at least 2 more hats, and then we can compare which one looks which way. But I still feel like this girl over here is number 1. Ke marato fela.